Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, guys, let me give you this gist concerning the rising insecurity in our country, Nigeria. The senators have called for impeachment of our dear President Buhari. Yes, the PDP Senators, yes, have called that they have given our president 6 weeks ultimatum to end this insecurity that we are facing in Nigeria and all other things that is affecting us in Nigeria, except that we will face impeachment. Let's wait and see. You know, our National Assembly, you know how they usually do, they get mouth down. Let's see if they will carry out their threats as they have, you know, promised. That if he doesn't, they gave him 6 weeks ultimatum, 6 weeks to see to the end of this insecurity in the country. And if solution is not provided, then it will be impeached. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if our president will find a solution to the insecurity, and let's see if he doesn't do anything, if there's anything, if nothing comes out of this 6 weeks ultimatum they gave to him. And let's now see if they will impeach him. Now this country will do together. Now me and you, let's wait and see. It's our for look at the worst struggle for our country, Nigeria. We God help us.
Whip! Senators are coming, please.